If you've ever noticed Instagram suggesting places you've been, that's not a coincidence. It's tracking your location in the background. So here's how to shut that off for good. Go to your phone settings, scroll down until you find Instagram, and tap location. From there, switch it to never, or ask next time if you still want a bit of flexibility. That alone stops Instagram from grabbing your GPS data whenever you open the app. But don't stop there. Open Instagram, go to your settings and privacy, then look for location under privacy. Make sure it's off for both posts and stories so you don't accidentally tag where you are. And if you've already got posts with a location on them, just edit each one and remove the tag. Easy. Doing this won't affect your feed on your stories. It just keeps your movement private. No tracking, no creepy location based ads, just Instagram on your terms. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.